Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here we have spatial audio, so to enable you need to click at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Now, firstly, if you have Apple device, you cannot find it at least at the settings. And the second one, not all Android phone have this feature at the settings also, so you may have it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!